A SWIFT BIC code is like a unique address for a bank, ensuring your money goes to the right place across borders. It's an 8 to 11 character alphanumeric identifier assigned to financial institutions by the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. For U.S. banks, the code typically starts with 4 letters identifying the bank, followed by U.S. for the United States, then 2 characters for the location, and optionally 3 more for the branch. Remember, SWIFT codes don't hold funds. They're for routing messages. It is important to verify codes via official sources due to scams targeting wire transfers. To find the correct SWIFT BIC code for a U.S. bank, start by checking the bank's official website, usually in the International Wire Transfer Instructions, or by contacting customer service. You can also use SWIFT's online BIC directory by searching the bank's name and location at swift.com/bash directory. Third-party financial tools like Wise or TransferWise often list codes, but always cross-reference this information with the bank directly. When initiating a wire, be prepared to provide the SWIFT code along with other details like the IBAN or account number. Always use the primary 8-character code unless a specific branch code is required. Double-check for typos to avoid failed transfers or potential fraud. For U.S. wires, they are usually paired with Fedwire or chips for domestic legs.